Welcome back. Now news from sports. Salgaocar Sports Club have put themselves in a winning position in the GPL finals. The T20 champions resumed day 3 on 75 for 2 and overnight batsmen Karan and Sagun Kamat put up a 212-run third wicket partnership. Salgaocar declared on 346 for 6 and have set a stiff target of 313 for Sarvodaya. Sanghi-based Sarvodaya are 31 for 1 at stumps on day 3, needing 282 runs for victory on the final day, while Salgaocar need 9 wickets to make it a GPL double.
Resuming at 75 for 2, Salgaocar batsmen just had to get it right on day 3. Overnight batsmen Sagun Kamat and Karan Singh looked in good nick the evening before, and the duo were in a different league altogether on day 3. Sagun was the first to get to his ton. The southpaw slammed his way to 134 runs, while he and Karan Singh put on 212 runs in 393 balls for the third wicket. Karan Singh also got to his century in course of time. The duo propelled their side to 346 for 6, declared in 103 overs, setting a 313-run target for Sarvodaya on a sporty wicket. Sarvodaya lost their in-form opener Suraj Dongre early and went into the hut at 31 for 1 at stumps, needing 282 runs on the final day for victory.
I missed 100 last match which I played against GSA. It was out of 94. So I played well today. Forget about the 100 thing. I really batted well. I think these were the good bowlers. All these players are elite players, and getting 100 against them always a good feeling.
In terms of the match situation, how important was this to get such a big score? Because you all lost the first innings lead crucially. So how important was getting a big score in the second innings?
We had planned all those things. We had lost the first innings, but I always knew it was a 4-day game, and we could always come back if we had a better score on the board, and we did just the same.
Now 313 is your target that you all have set for Sarvodaya. How confident are you about this, and what's the wicket behaving?
Wicket is quite good, the way we batted, but we have good match-winning bowlers like Karan. I think Shiva Khan was struggling for him today, and if we could get 2 of these players, major players out who have been in form, it might be an early finish tomorrow.
And any particular reason you're coming in the middle order? Because everybody knows you as the opener, the sort of Ganguly of Goa. So any particular reason of coming in the middle?
I wanted to play number 4. I wanted to bat because I never played number 4 in my life till now, and I wanted to change. I wanted to change for a good, and I could get a more opportunity playing slightly older ball, and it's helping me now.
Predict an early finish tomorrow.
I think so. Looking for 2-3 wickets, early wickets, and it might be over early.
Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Prajot Pednikar from Porvorim.
Just for Kicks Football Academy was founded in 2007 and is doing its bit in building a strong football culture in the state. Founder of the academy, Shisto Pace, does not stress on unearthing a Lionel Messi, but for young boys and girls to understand the basics of the game and enjoy the beautiful game. Just for Kicks Football Academy is based in Vasco and has 100 players under its banner. Recently, the academy organized a football fest at Tilak Stadium.
Football is now the official state sport, which means new infrastructure and a super serious grassroots program will be followed. But while all the efforts are on to make football a serious profession, there exists the Kicks Football Academy that focuses on the basics of the game. JFK is not like the Cesar Football Academy or like Tata Football Academy. Neither is JFK on a mission to unearth the next Cristiano Ronaldo. Its focus is to develop better human beings and keep the spirit of football alive and burning in Goan hearts.
Wherever you go, there is selection. So I decided to start this academy with the parents, where every child has the right to play, whoever you are. But what is important is what you are. So they come onto the ground for 10 days. If they are enjoying, they get registered in the academy. It doesn't matter whether they can touch the ball, kick the ball or not. And we only concentrate on basics of football. Basics are trapping, passing, communication and skill.
Basically what sister says is like, like don't expect results directly within 1 year or 2 years. Like let the children come, let them feel free with the ball, let them feel free with themselves. And basically it is not only about football, like he also like counsels them, and like it is like, you know, team spirit, and each child is allowed to play his own game. Whether he's good or bad at football, they are taught to love the game. And the students who are there since like for many years, like since 2006, three of them have been picked up by Salgaocar Sports Club, and they are playing for Salgaocar Sports Club under 12.
Our reporter Surendra Madgayakar from Vasco.
80th birth anniversary of the Melody King of Goa was celebrated at Kala Academy. The Goan theatrist Rosario Alfred Fernandez, better known by his stage name Alfred Rose, was remembered with his golden music, song and dance. Here are glimpses of the celebration. Now, don't worry if you have missed this bulletin. Log on to www.prudentmedia.in. You can also catch the latest updates on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media.